Hi, my name's HAZIM Gaber, and today we're going to look at data types in Excel. So, in front of me, I've got this giant spreadsheet, and I've got a number of drop-down boxes with green tabs. So we've got the months up here, and we've got scenarios, year, currency, business unit, and account. We're not gonna worry about this right now, so don't. So we're gonna look at this later. But for now, let's try and figure out how Excel manages data. I'm gonna do this one step at a time. So you're probably thinking, if you're new to Excel, you know, I open up a sheet. So let's create a new sheet here, and I just type in some data and names and whatever, and then on the other side I gotta put, so let's say we don't want to do that. So let's say, whoa, what happened here? Okay, I control Z'd way too far. So let's say I've got I got some sales data, let's say. So I got transaction date. So I got transaction, date. So if I go January 1, 2023, January 2, 2023, January 3, 2023, and then transaction amount is $100.50. Transaction amount is $200.20. Transaction amount $333.87. So, if you notice something, as soon as I did that, as soon as I entered in the date, Microsoft Excel automatically formatted the date. So there's a difference between what data you put in and then what the data looks like. So the actual data in the cell, so if we click on January 1st, 2023, we've got Excel automatically recognized this as a date, and Excel automatically recognized $100.50 as currency. Now, the reason this is important is because it affects later on how we can do formulas. So if we look at it, if you notice, I got $100.50 dollar sign here in my cell. But if you look at what data Microsoft Excel is actually thinking I got, the Excel only recorded 100.5. That's the actual data that's in the cell. And Excel has applied formatting to this data, so it's added a dollar sign, and it's moved the data to the right. Now, if we also look at the date, what does the date contain? Well, the date is just the date. So we've got 1/1/2023 in our formula bar. So we can teach Excel the type of data that we have in our cell, and we can change the format of the cell before we enter in our data, or we can change the format of the cell to existing data. So let me show you what I mean. If we right click on the cell and we click on the button Format Cells, it will bring up the Format Cells window where we can choose any type of format. If you have any questions, let's continue in the next video. So please post a comment. Thank you.